Hi everyone, this is Pam from Crafty Kiwi Mama. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm making a very simple rainbow birthday card using die cut. With the rainbow letters, I'm using the alphabet die from your next stamp. The word Have a Happy, I'm using the stamp from Fawn. With the cloud, I'm using the cloud die cut from Tailored Expression. I also die cut each of the clouds separately as my stencil. I cut out a lot of strips from rainbow color cardstocks. This is an A2 size 110-pound card base. I also cut out two pieces from 80-pound cardstocks. One is the same size as the card base and the other one is slightly smaller than the card base. This is a regular printing paper. I cover it with different color strips. I'm cutting off the excess. I used the alphabet die to die cut the word birthday from the rainbow cardstock that I have just made. I also used the same die to cut the word 3 more times with the white cardstocks, and I stack all the words together to give some dimension to the letters. There will be two backgrounds for this card. For the first background, I'm using the white cardstock that is the same size as the card base. I got the idea of this background from one of the card making videos, but now I can't find it. I'm obsessed with this background and want to include it in my card as well. There will be a little gap between all the clouds, and so I will need to cut off the top and the bottom slightly to make it fit to the card base. Now it is ready for the second background. This time I'll be using the stencil. The shape of the cloud will be the same as the one in the first background. The color that I'm using is broken china. I apply the anti-static tool on the black cardstock. This is the white embossing powder that I got from Stampin' Up. Now I'm ready to assemble the card. This is the trick that I learned. Doing this allows me to have some time to align my background before it is committed. After I'm ready, I will pull the release paper. Lastly, I finish up by adding some rainbow sequins onto the card. Here is the final look of the completed card. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great one.